Hi everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to take a step-by-step look at how to clean the Mobius M210 mill. Here's what you'll want to have on hand.
A spray bottle or pressure washer filled with the dilution of GMP Solutions Step 1 cleaner.
A soft bristled scrub brush, some microfiber towels or other type of cloth to wipe things down with, and a table or some other type of work surface that's safe to clean the removable parts on. You'll also need access to a water hose, preferably connected to hot water, or even better, a hot water pressure washer. Compressed air is not mandatory, but certainly helpful. First up, unplug the machine and remove the mill screen, rotor, and collection tote, setting these items aside on your work table. If you have access to a compressor and are in an area that allows for it, hit the body of the machine and the removable parts with compressed air to get rid of as much dust and residual plant matter as possible. Next, spray the machine body and parts down with water, being careful not to spray the electrical cabinet directly. A standard hose or pressure washer can be used for this purpose. Use warm or hot water if you have it. Follow this by spritzing everything with a cleaning solution and let it sit for a few minutes. The heaviest resin buildup will likely be on the mill screen and rotor, so we recommend hitting these parts with your cleaning solution first and letting that soak while you work on the other components. Most areas will come clean with a light wipe down, but you can use a soft bristled scrub brush or plastic razor to get off stubborn resin buildup. Finish up by rinsing the machine and components with warm or hot water. If you have the space, these parts can be left out to air dry and then reassembled later. If this is not an option, wipe down the clean parts and machine with a dry cloth to remove most of the moisture, reassemble, and set the machine aside in a relatively warm, dry space ready for your next round of milling. Thanks for joining us for this instructional video on cleaning the Mobius M210 mill. For more information, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.